Meanwhile, Malacanang assured that the President's social fund is being used with utmost accountability and transparency. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte told the newsmen that everything is accounted, adding that all receipts, vouchers, and disbursement requests are submitted on the Commission on Audit. Valte also said that the palace is unfazed with the possible political backlash the investigation of the pork barrel scam might bring. More from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino stood firm that the cases to be filed against those involved in the misuse of PDOF are based on the results of the NBI probe. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte said this amidst reports that the controversial fund will result in a political backlash on the Aquino administration. Stressed that the President is determined to put an end to the anomaly involving people's money.
Well, alam naman po ng Pangulo yun. The President is very cognizant of the consequences that this may bring on. However, which is why ang sinabi ng Pangulo, kailangan yung i-file talaga ay nakabatay at nakatayo sa ebidensya.
Malacanang issued a statement following the instruction of the President for the Interagency Anti-Graft Coordinating Council to conduct a thorough investigation on the pork barrel scam. The palace also expressed readiness to defend the new system for the line item budgeting under the 2014 proposed national budget. Valte was reacting to the possible consequences that the abolition of PDOF might have an effect on the immediate passage of the 2014 General Appropriations Act.
Extra work needs to be done. Kaya nga po nagbabuckle down na ang DBM kasama yung mga ibang ahensya to work with both houses on how to implement yung mga guidelines na sinabi ng Pangulo.
Meanwhile, Malacanang will not let go of the Special Purpose Fund and the President's Social Fund, saying the funds are used with utmost transparency and audit by the Commission on Audit. Former National Treasurer Leonor Briones reported that the PDOF is part of the 310 billion pesos Special Purpose Fund of the President. The SPF comes from the national budget, while the PSF comes from the percentage income of PAGCOR and other GOCCs.
Yung Special Purpose Fund po kasi, again, the name is self-explanatory. Pero magbigay tayo ng example. Nandyan yung contingency fund, nandyan yung calamity fund, nandyan yung, that's a type of a special purpose fund. At alam naman din po nila to, si Mrs. Briones being a former national treasurer. Ito po yung mga halimbawa nung mga bagay na napapailalim doon sa special purpose funds. And there are funds really, by their nature, hindi mo nga ma-itemize. Kasi ang mangyayari dyan, kapag in-itemize mo, tapos merong unforeseen event na dumating na hindi natin pinrogram dun sa pondong yon, hindi natin siya magagamit because you can actually be liable for malversation that way. I think namanggit din to ng Pangulo nung Biyernes. Binigay niya yung halimbawa doon sa calamity fund na kung i-itemize natin yan, na pay tayo for 20 na bagyo na darating sa taon na to, kung lumampas po tayo, hindi na natin pwedeng gamitin yung pera dun for the 21st that comes in. So, by the very nature of some of these funds, it is obviously something to draw out of in times of need.
Malacanang is confident that the controversial issue would not result in unrest at the AFP. Budget Secretary Florencio Abad, however, agreed for a dialogue with the anti-pork barrel groups. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.